The Salaries and Remuneration Commission has rejected a pay agreement between Nairobi County government and its workers, terming the increases as unsustainable. SRC documents seen by Citizen TV show that Sonko's bid to increase the workers' salaries by 15% would drive the county into bankruptcy. These revelations emerge as workers suspended their strike to give room for talks. Chemutai Goin has more.
Just a day after Nairobi County workers suspended their strike to allow for talks with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, Citizen TV has established why the Commission rejected the deal signed in 2017. SRC argues that the collective bargaining agreement that would see county workers receive a 15% pay increase was unrealistic and would increase employee costs beyond the recommended levels. The SRC warns that the county would also face a deficit, as personnel costs alone would increase by 1.18 billion shillings per year. However, all is not lost, as the Commission points out that the CBA would be practical if the county increased revenue collection.
Pesa tuko nayo, SRC and Treasury wakutupatia approval even now. We have the money in the account, we are ready to pay them. They got strike, but sisi kama serikali hatuna issue na wao. Wapeleke kesi zao kwa Treasury na kwa SRC. Wasitufungie maparking hapo City Hall, wacha sisi tuendelee kufanyia wananchi kazi.
Excluding other allowances, Nairobi County alone would annually spend 1.6 billion shillings on basic salaries, house allowance and commuter allowance. If the same CBA was implemented in 31 counties classified as urban, some 23.4 billion would be spent. However, there are fears that if SRC approved the arrangement by Nairobi County, other workers may follow suit and put more strain on available resources. The county workers' officials are yet to respond to the directive, even as they wait for the court's determination. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.